Today, let's unlock the magic of transforming humble store-bought cake shells into a gourmet strawberry shortcake that'll wow even the pickiest eater. Let's create a luscious syrup using fresh strawberries and sugar that we will use to top off our homemade whipped cream and mascarpone mixture. With a little help from the store, you'll turn a basic strawberry shortcake into a culinary masterpiece that's as delightful to see as it is to taste.